Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Hotspot on your iPhone. So if you want to use the Hotspot option, which is like sharing your data with different devices, what you can do is you can just scroll up to the control center, and then you tap on this icon right here, and then you enable the personal hotspot. Now, I don't really have a SIM card, and a hotspot only works if you have a SIM card enabled, but if you do, it's that simple. You just press personal hotspot, and that's pretty much it. And now you also have the personal hotspot settings, where you can change the password and other stuff, but it's once again not available without the SIM card. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.